Hello, friends. Today's a good day. It's past 3 p.m. and it's raining outside. You can hear that. It's funny because several days ago I did post a video ranting about the humidity and how hot it is. And right now it's fucking raining outside and you can barely see the buildings because of the rain pouring and the wind and the fog. Oh my god, it's like a wish come true. Aww. Except it will be so hard to order food because it might be a bit troublesome for them to deliver the food. I think so. But let me just show you. I don't know about you. Maybe you can call me shallow, but I'm definitely enjoying this view right now. Just look at the rain moving with the wind in different directions. That's just really cool to watch. I mean, you don't get that every day, especially these past few weeks. It's been so fucking hot. And all I get is, well, was sweaty armpits. Yeah. Woo! You know, I've been thinking, since right now it's raining heavily, this might be the reason why it was so hot for the past few weeks. I just realized it now. And as much as I dislike rain when everything was still normal, before the new normal, right now I'm loving the rain. It's just so hard when it's so hot and you just took a shower and 5 minutes later your armpits are sweating.
What the fuck was that?
Not really good. And I hate doing laundry all the time, you know? So right now I'm just enjoying the rain. I'm just reminiscing, daydreaming, thinking of whatever, just chilling. I hope you are too. It's Saturday. You should have what? Chocolate pudding or hot choco. I might have coffee later. I'm still looking for something to munch. I'm not sure if I would order online or I'll just get some damn coffee and get over it. Get over with it. Or to get it over with. Whatever.
I get lost when I think of you. Open doors inside my head. Rooms of shit that I can say. I'm true to you, I'm true.
Mind if I talk to you?